Kushu, welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Oh my god, it feels like so long because I'm shooting after so long apparently. So yeah, I'm back again on my YouTube channel and I'm going to resume my channel with a styling video. So I'm basically styling this basic shirt dress. I'm going to style it in 5 different ways. They are completely different, 5 different outfits basically, or 5 different looks. So without any further ado, let's begin the video, shall we? that is it for the video, you guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and all that good stuff. I see most of you guys who are following me on Instagram love my 1-minute styling videos, so I thought why not do one more on my YouTube channel for my YouTube fan who are not on Instagram. So yeah, this is it. If you like my styling videos and you're not following me on my Instagram, then do follow me on my Instagram over here so that you can get to see my 1-minute styling with Kushu videos. So yeah, with that I'm gonna end this video right here. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, lots of love. Bye.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.